The topic of today's video is Tangem versus Ledger. Which one is right for you? And when it comes to Tangem, they offer one unified service, whereas Ledger offers a multitude of different wallets. So we're going to focus on the Ledger Nano X here. So when we're talking about Tangem wallet, Tangem redefines the crypto wallet experience with top-level security, simplicity, and convenience. Enjoy total independence when managing your digital assets on the go. See, the key features for Tangem Wallet is that it has a slim bank card design, as well as it being incredibly secure. So you can store, buy, earn, transfer, and swap thousands of different coins and tokens, as well as being very easy to set up. You can set up a hardware wallet in about 3 minutes. Now, Tangem Wallet doesn't necessarily have to be the credit or bank card wallet type that you've seen as well. Now, a Tangem wallet doesn't necessarily have to be the bank card design that you've seen, because they also offer a ring. Now, you can buy the ring and cards in set and use them as smart backups, providing equal access like 3 identical keys. In terms of security, every Tangem wallet contains a powerful certified microchip developed with Samsung semiconductors. They also state that these physical wallets have a maximum resistance to dust, water, and extreme temperatures. Now, the Ledger Nano X is a pocket-sized hardware wallet that seamlessly connects with your smartphone or computer through the Ledger Live app and their partners. You can securely buy, exchange, and grow your crypto. The key features here would be that it seamlessly connects with your smartphone or computer, and that it fits the criteria of a more traditional hardware wallet. As well, in terms of security, the Ledger wallets are equipped with a secure element chip, providing an extra layer of security. So in summary, both Tangem and Ledger offer robust security and user-friendly features. Tangem stands out for its simplicity, its quick setup, and innovative card-based or ring-based design, making it highly portable and convenient. Ledger, particularly the Nano X model, offers a comprehensive asset management hardware tool through its Ledger Live app and seamless mobile connectivity, catering to users seeking a versatile and feature-rich experience as well as a more traditional wallet experience. Your choice fully depends on you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one.